Firefighters put their lives on the line every single day, and now we're finding out they risk their health as well. 22 News State House reporter Tiffany Chan is live in Boston to explain how one lawmaker hopes to give back.
More and more firefighters are being diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, an illness that could be linked to exposure to toxic smoke. One Western Massachusetts lawmaker filed a bill to help firefighters pay for their medical expenses. Every time firefighters enter a burning building, they're exposed to toxic chemicals that could lead to illnesses that linger long after the fire is extinguished. Westfield State Representative John Vilas told 22 News firefighters are being diagnosed with Parkinson's disease at an alarming rate. He's filed a bill to extend accidental disability benefits to firefighters with Parkinson's.
Very similar to if a firefighter has a lung disease, cancer, something like that. It would create a presumption that they contracted this Parkinson's disease from exposure to fire from their job as a firefighter.
The bill was inspired by Westfield firefighter Greg Heath, who was diagnosed with Parkinson's after 17 years on the job, and 22 News found out he's not alone. The Massachusetts Firefighters Union cites studies that found firefighters are 8 times more susceptible to Parkinson's than the general public. Union President Rich McKinnon voiced his support for the bill in a statement to 22 News in which he said firefighters are exposed to chemicals that attack their nervous systems and are linked to ailments like Parkinson's. Nearly 60 state lawmakers have signed on to the Parkinson's bill. The bill needs approval from both the House and Senate and then the governor's signature in order to become law. Live at the State House in Boston, Tiffany Chan for 22 News.